Welcome back to Tuscany. I'm Danilo Romolini and today we are in the province of Siena, not far from Montepulciano. We're going to tour this 125 hectares wine estate with a beautiful wine cellar, olive grove, business accommodation, and since we are in the season for truffles, we will also go and hunt for some beautiful and very precious white truffles. Come with me. This property is located in between vineyards and olive grove, and it is the perfect place to break the city routine and to come and relax in the Tuscan countryside. It is very close to a small town with all the services. In fact, it's just 5 kilometers away and at a stone throw from the Lake Trasimeno. It is also very close to all the airports. In fact, it is 1 hour of drive away from the airport of Perugia, 1 hour and 50 minutes from Florence, and about 2 hours from Rome. Let's now go and view the wine cellar. The wine cellar has been built keeping the traditional style of the buildings in this area and at the same time including modern solutions like the elevator and the solar panel system on the roof. Let's go inside. We're now inside the wine cellar. Here we find a reception area. On my left there is a storage room and on my right offices. Let's now go and see this room, which is usually used for wine tastings. Through this door we get to the actual wine cellar. We're now inside the wine cellar. As you can see, it is a new building, but they used original and antique materials, so there is this feeling as if we would be inside an antique wine cellar. Here is where all the wine production takes place. From this wood barrel room where the wine is aged, we pass to this vat room. In fact, here inside these steel vats, the grapes are transformed into wine. The wine cellar has about 2,000 hectoliters of wine capacity. This estate has about 5 hectares of white truffle reserve, which is like having a gold mine. In fact, 1 kg of good white truffle can value up to 3,000 euro. Someone is waiting for us down at the reserve. Let's go and have a look. And here we are inside the white truffle reserve. Today we are with the estate owner, Giuseppe, and a professional truffle hunter, Fausto, and his daughter, Giada. This is their truffle dog,
Buffy.
and now we'll go all together to look for some truffle. Andiamo?
Sì, andiamo.
Let's go.
Vai. Brava Buffy, sei fantastica!
She found a truffle.
Eccolo! Ecco, ma bello! Dovrebbe essere anche un bel tartufo oltretutto. Guarda! Ah.
Look at this truffle. This is gonna be amazing on some pasta. Here we are by the olive trees. The estate has 11 hectares of olive grove and an extra 20 hectares that could be used both to expand on the vineyards or the olive grove. Let's go and have a look at the production. The olives are hand-picked and the production is between 300 to 600 quintals a year. The process starts by laying down these nets all around the trees Then with a machine the trees are shaken and the olives fall on the nets. Then the nets gets closed and all the olives are collected. These olives get brought to the mill to produce the oil, and that process is all done within a day. Let's go and have a look at the rest of the process. Just beside the wine cellar, we find the villa, which would be the wine resort, which is 1,124 square meters with 8 bedrooms for the guests, plus 2 bedrooms for the staff, and in total 13 bathrooms. Before seeing the villa, I'm showing you the 5 by 15 meter swimming pool, completely surrounded by terracotta paved solarium area. The frame of it is made out of travertino marble, and it is in this beautiful setting with ancient olive trees and this incredible view of the valley right below. We're now inside the villa. It has been reconstructed, keeping all the traditional materials like the terracotta floors, the wooden beams, and on the ground floor we find all the living areas. In fact, there is this reception area over here. Down here we find this huge living room that gives you so much space to host guests. And over there we pass to the conservatory. We're now inside the conservatory. This room is currently used for breakfasts, lunches and dinners. It has also the terracotta floor and these huge windows that can be opened during the summertime, creating one big open space with an incredible view on the beautiful landscape down below and of course the swimming pool. Over here there is the kitchen. Let's go and have a look. We're now inside the kitchen. It is a professional kitchen, completely made out of stainless steel, and it is fully equipped. It has multiple entrances. In fact, there is one entrance over there and one entrance from the outside over there. There is also an indoor barbecue. Now that we're done with the kitchen, let's go upstairs and view the bedrooms. And here we are on the first floor of the villa. Here we find 7 bedrooms, each one with their independent ensuite bathroom. Over there is a secondary access to this floor if you want to access it without passing through the ground floor. Let's see one of the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms with the bed over there, and over here the ensuite bathroom. And this is another bedroom with all the traditional features, so terracotta floor and wooden beams, the bed over here, and down there the bathroom. Back from the living room on the ground floor, we can access to the spa, which has 2 accesses. Either from the entrance of the villa, there are the stairs that go downstairs, and also through the elevator. Let's go underground. And here we are inside the spa. It is really cool because there are all of these chromotherapy ambient lightings that make it really relaxing. From here we find the massage room over there, here a bathroom. Through this door we pass to this corridor with, on my left, a little gym. And on my right we find 2 showers. Then over here a relaxed area with some beds. And down here this incredible indoor swimming pool. Then over here we find, down here, the steam room. And just beside, the sauna. Over here we find the showers. Let's now view this separate cottage with 5 independent bedrooms. Each one of them has an independent access. Let's go and have a look. We're now inside the cottage. This is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it has the same style as the other bedrooms in the villa. Over here we find the bed, and down there the bathroom with a travertino top. And here we are ending today's property tour. This property is perfect either for an investor looking for a winery with a wine resort, or for someone looking for an incredible villa with its stunning winery to enjoy with friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. See you next time.